Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the second chapter from the second unit, that is the worth of a fabric. Okay, so what do you mean by the worth of a fabric? Worth means value or price. Okay, means the price of a fabric or cloth. Okay, so from this lesson, we will get to know what is the price of the cloth, and also we will get to know various important things that we should follow in our life. Okay, we will get to know that at the end of this story. Okay, so this is the story of one of the great Tamil saint. Okay, Tiruvalluvar. Okay, so we'll get to know how he was. Okay, and what teachings he will give in this lesson. Okay, how what things we should take from him. Okay, so let's see. Tiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Tirukural is the book of his teachings. It is greatly loved and respected even today. Okay, so Tiruvalluvar, okay, is name of the great saint, okay, who is poet also. Okay, he lived in Tamil Nadu, okay, who lived more than 2000 years ago. So he lived in Tamil Nadu, okay, more than 2000 years ago. Okay, and he was great saint and he was a great poet also. Tirukural is the book of his teachings. So he have written various books. Okay, so Tirukural is one of them, and in that he have written various poems. Okay, various meaningful poems. Okay, is the book of his teachings, means he have written various important things. Okay, or his good things about him, or what he thinks about the world. Okay, or what he thinks about the hard work that workers work in the textile industry. Okay, we will come to know that while we are learning the this story. Okay, so in short, he have written Tirukural book. In that he have written his experiences, okay, or his thoughts. Okay, and we will be knowing various interesting things out of this book. It is greatly loved and respected even today, and that book is greatly loved and respected, and he is also greatly loved and respected even today. Tiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. Okay, so he is a saint, okay, and poet, but it is his passion, okay, his liking or his hobby to write poems. But what he do professionally? Okay, he was a textile weaver. Okay, textile means textile in industry, it is related to clothes. Okay, where clothes are prepared and then they were sold. So he was one of the textile weaver. Weaver, to weave means to make fabric or cloth from threads. Okay, so he is a simple worker or weaver in the textile industry. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. So what he wore? He wore beautiful fabrics. Fabrics means clothes, okay, for men and saris for women, and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. So what people said about him, that he was very patient, okay, very calm, okay, he never got angry, never used bad words about anyone, never shouted at anyone. In short, as he was saint, okay, he was very polite, okay, very patient. He you he he never get angry on anyone, or he never used bad words about anyone, or and he never shouted at anyone, okay. So he was calm or patient by by nature, okay. So even if the man in front of him makes any mistake, okay, or try to bully him, he will never be bullied, okay, he always remain calm. In the same town there lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. They often made fun of other people. Okay, so in that same town there lived a rich young man. Okay, so as he was very rich, then he wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. So as he was very young and rich also, so he didn't do any work. Okay, he have means there is not need for him to work. Okay, because he had lots of money. Okay, he was rich, so he thought that uh, even if he even if he don't work, then there is no problem, okay. He had lots of money, so what he do, he wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. To roam means to walk or travel with no particular plan, okay. Means he just like to wander here and there, okay. He just like to walk or travel in the city and in the town, and trouble other people, make fun of them, bully them, okay. So in short, he was not a good person, okay. That rich young man was not a good person. He just wanted to go here and there and to trouble the other people, to make fun of them, to bully them, okay. So they often made fun of other people. So with his friends he made fun of other people. I don't believe what people say about this follower, said the young man one day. I'm sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So what that young man said, that I don't believe what people say about this follower. So one day, Vulluvar means here he is talking about Tiruvalluvar, okay. So as all the people were saying, okay, that Tiruvalluvar was a very great, is a very great person, okay. He is very calm, he never gets angry, he never uses bad words. But that young man, that young man also heard that, but he don't believe, okay, that yes, there is a saint and he is very calm, okay, very polite. He don't believe that. So he decided that we will break him, okay, and we will make him angry. So that young man and his friends were decided to made him angry. I'm sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So that young man and his friends were decided to go to that Tiruvallur, okay, that saint, and to make him angry, okay. And because they don't have any other work, okay, they have just that work. So the arrogant young man approached Tiruvallur in the market and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. Okay, so Tiruvallur don't know about all of this. Okay, he he just gone to the uh, his shop, okay, as every day, okay, he goes to his shop every day with his clothes. So on that day also uh, he was gone in the shop, okay, with the some beautiful pieces of fabric. Here you can see here a large number of fabrics or clothes, okay. See how neatly they are put, okay, in the shop, okay. And you can see here he is Tiruvalur and he is a young man, okay, rich young man, and he is his friend. So that young man approached Tiruvalur's shop, okay, in the market, and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. Here he have picked that beautiful piece of fabric, okay. How much does this whole fabric cost? He asked. So Tiruvalur doesn't know anything about the that young man's plan, okay. He thought that yes, they are the customers, regular customers means, and he is asking for that cloth, okay. He is asking that clothes cost. So he was completely uh, don't know about that young rich man, okay. 8 coins, the saint named the price, and that's why he named the price. He thought that that young man liked that fabric, and uh, he is interested in buying that fabric. That's why he is asking for the price. So he told him the price. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into two. So what that young man did, he unfolded that fabric. So here you can see all the fabrics were neatly folded, okay, and kept on one another. So what that young man did, he picked up one fabric and he tore it, okay, broke it into two parts, okay. What's the price of this piece now? Then again he asked him that what is the price of this piece now, okay. So have you seen that what that young man did? He tore that fabric into two, and then again he asked the price of the fabric, okay. So in this video what we have seen, that Tiruvalluvar was a great saint, okay, but another rich young man in their town was uh, not good, okay, and he decided to make him angry. So he went to his shop and in the market and tore his fabric, okay. Thank you.